Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to use Affirm step by step. It's quite simple. The first thing you need to do is shop at a store that offers Affirm. If you browse online or in-store at retailers, you can browse online or in-store at retailers that have partnered with Affirm. You can also decide to select Affirm at checkout. When you're ready to pay, just simply choose Affirm as your payment method. You can also enter your mobile number. So you'll be asked to enter your US or US territories mobile number. You'll be given a verification code. Enter the verification code. Then you have to provide your information. That is, if it's your first time, you need to provide your full email, your full name, email, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your security number. Then Affirm will perform a real-time check and show you the payment plans available for your purchase. This does not affect your credit score at all. Then once you're done with that, you select the installment pay plan that works best for your budget. Review the terms, including interest if any, and payment schedule, and confirm your loan. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to the merchant's website to finalize the transaction. So manage your payment schedule through the Affirm app or website and make your payments according to the agreed upon plan. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.